What's up, everybody? Live Life MBH here, back with another video for y'all. Sure, my bad, I ain't been up, made a video in a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this video going for y'all and show y'all how to find the key and scale to any song, beat. Like if you need to know the key to use Autotune or just to know what, if you add on to a beat and need the key to know what key it is, the beat was in to use those same keys to make the beat sound right and everything with the key that is already in. Like I'm gonna show y'all a real simple way to go ahead and figure this out, so y'all can go ahead and know how to do this. It's this beat that I made. I'm recently working on. I'm gonna go ahead and play it so y'all can hear it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to find this the scale to this. So this the beat. The beat. Now what we gonna do now, remember the most important part is if you want to be accurate with finding the key, you do want to go ahead and put the plug in inside the master, that way you can know, it can give you an accurate reading of that key. So what I do is I go ahead and play it actually, and then I will be you can find the key to the beat by using scalar. Let's find scalar. Well, actually, we just gonna do this simple. And let's go ahead and find scalar. Uh, do y'all see it? Where is that? I don't know. No, I'm just playing. Let me see. And I just want to take the time, man, and thank everybody who have been showing me support and everything, man. I appreciate that. It be people up on there. There's always gonna be a hater. You never know. It could be, you know what I'm saying, one of your peoples that's hating on the low, putting thumbs downs on the video and stuff and all that hating stuff. They need to get it together. Dang. My bad, yeah, it be taking me. I'm probably just finna. Where the hell? Yeah. This always happen. I be looking for a plug-in for a little minute. Man, no, I got it in my plug-in database. Boom. Let's re-add that because I don't know what's that about. But you just go ahead and put it over on the channel rack. This how Scalar look. Hold on. I'm tripping. I mean, Scalar is a way you can find it, but I'm tripping, y'all. I done got my plugins mixed up. We ain't gonna do it with Scalar. We gonna use Auto Key. We gonna find it with Auto Key. And I do want to let y'all know that Auto Key is linked up to Autotune and everything. So when you do um put it on there, you can automatically send the key to Autotune and everything. If you just using it to make the piano, I mean, you know, work on the beat or anything to find the scale that a beat is already in, and you need to know the scale of the beat, and you don't know it. Like say if you just downloaded a beat or something, or bought a beat, and then you trying to add something on to it, and don't know the key to it. That's how you. This how you can find that key. Like this my go-to right here. Like I ain't even gonna lie. I like working fast and smart at the same time, but let's go ahead and play it so I can see what key is in. So I see it's ranging between C minor and major key. C minor and A B major. Okay. So boom. And that'll tell you the key. So say if I wanted to that'll tell you the key. So say if I wanted to like add something to this beat or anything, or wanted my auto tune, or wanted to add auto tune up on it, it'll be in the right key and it'll sound real good with the beat. But for example, say if I just wanted to add, you know what I'm saying, a sound to it or something. I'm not gonna keep this sound here, but I'm just gonna show y'all. I just go to my minor, my minor scale. See, I don't know if y'all can hear it. But yeah, that's that scale. But man, that's all I wanted to show y'all. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all that if anybody haven't it was somebody that got at me on my Instagram saying they needed help on finding the scale and everything and the key to they beat and whatnot. So I just wanted to go ahead and make this video. That was a little video suggestion, but like I said, I appreciate everybody's support. You know what I'm saying? Who do support me and view the videos, the little bit of views I do get, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? And um, like, subscribe, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got any questions? Just let me know in the description, but I mean the comment section, and you know what I'm saying? We'll take it from there. But all right, love everybody. Remember God first. Live life NBH. I'm out. Yeah.